Check out this 2006 Dodge Ram 2500. Carfax has certified this Ram 2500 as having one owner. This Ram 2500 has just under 121,500 miles. This vehicle has a limited warranty. This Ram 2500 boasts a 5.9-liter inline-six turbo engine, and has a 4-speed automatic transmission. Another great feature is that this vehicle uses diesel. Additional options for this vehicle include power steering, CD player, air conditioning and driver airbag. Call 800-753-6343 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.